So if you're anything like me, you'll go on Amazon with the sole purpose of getting just one item. But 2 days later, an Amazon package arrives and there's about $100 worth of stuff that, frankly, you really didn't need. So I figured, why not make a video out of it and show you guys if any of this stuff is even worth buying. So that's our goal today. Take the random dumb stuff I bought on Amazon and see if you should actually buy it or just leave it where it is. The first thing we're going to look at is a Holy Stone drone, but I'm not a rapper. And I think this was like $20. Let's check. Okay, for $27, I don't expect much at all. It actually had pretty decent reviews. So, okay, so here it is. Wow, that is tiny. Oh my gosh. Like, we don't need a manual. I feel like that's foreshadowing. Plug it in, plug it. What could possibly go wrong if we just try to, oh, I bet it doesn't come with batteries. And it's screwed down. Okay. Oh, they gave you a screwdriver. Look at that. Oh, come on. 3 AAA batteries. Be right back. I'm back. And I got a knife. Oh, Jesus Christ. Flip. It flips? Man, I gotta read the directions. Oh my god, this is confusing. Pair the drone. The head with the tail towards the pilot. I don't know. Turn on, push the throttle up and then down to pair. I think it's paired. Hello? Oh, uh-oh. Okay. Wow, okay. This is actually legit. All right, apparently you can do a flip with it. Jesus. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay. This is actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. I was expecting it to just start up and legit just fly off into the side of the room. For 27 bucks, this is definitely legit. They're pretty small, they're not gonna break anything. There's these plastic guards around the propellers. So even if you do bump into something, it's not gonna hurt the actual drone or whatever it bumps into. So I think this one checks out. I think I'm gonna rank them best to worst, or yes I would buy to no I would not buy. Okay, this is a music sleep mask. Music sleep mask, healthy 3D eye mask. So this is like vegan or something. I don't know what makes it healthy. It's just a mask that goes on your eyes. This one is actually Bluetooth. So you can play music through it, I assume. Whatever sounds you listen to when you sleep. I'm not here to judge you. Wow, okay, it's pretty soft. I mean, it doesn't really matter on the outside how soft it is, unless someone's rubbing your eyes while you sleep. There's buttons on the outside here. Is there instructions? Yes, okay. Wow, there's not much to it. Okay, it's the power on. Oh, it's flashing blue and red. Okay, so Bluetooth, BT5. Oh, it's tight. Okay, yeah, okay, so there's speakers right here. I guess that makes sense. This is where normally your ears are. Okay, I really don't know what I expected. It's a sleep mask. There's no light coming in, so I guess it's good as a sleep mask. The music sounds fine. The only thing I would be concerned about is if you're, sleeping next to somebody, could they hear this? I could definitely hear what's playing, so let's see how loud it goes. Press volume minus for previous song. Press volume plus for previous song. Wait, what? That is loud. Okay, no one is gonna be sleeping to anything this loud. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy smokes. I guess if your partner snores or something. Oh my God, okay. It's exactly what you think it would be. It's a sleep mask that plays music. Sure, if you like listening to things while you sleep, I mean, honestly, it's not too bad. How much was it? This was $22.59, so 20 bucks-ish. All right, how do I turn it off? Okay, not as cool as a drone, but not bad. So second place out of 2 so far. This is supposed to be tech stuff, and when I searched tech stuff on Amazon, this came up, which I'll let you decide. So it's a frame with some binary on it, and it's 4 lines of binary. And for those of you out there that understand, binary can be translated to letters. And this says, and if you can read that, you are too. So basically what this says is geek. I don't even know who would buy this, and if you got this, why would you even display this anywhere? You'd have to be an actual absolute weirdo. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, pretty dumb. I think it was like $15. So this is going down here. Oof. Key finder. So this is one of those Bluetooth keychain finder thingies. You can put these, comes with 4, I believe. You put them on various objects like keys or in your wallet or something. And this is supposed to be able to find them in case you lose it. Now it looks like I'm gonna download an app or something. Oh no, batteries again. 2 AAA. Now, I know where I can find 2 AAA batteries. Okay, so you get 4 of these keychain things. I mean, they're not big, but I wouldn't necessarily say they're tiny. It does come with the batteries for those, so that's good, because I definitely don't have any of those. Oh, damn. Hello? Bruh. Okay, these are not easy to open. All right, it took me way too long to find a coin in my house. Like, who even carries coins anymore? If you do, you're a serial killer or something. So, okay, close. I'm just gonna do this with 1. Okay, so I guess it's intuitive enough to where this is the first time we didn't have to read a manual or anything. If you lose something, like say this was on my keys and I lost them over here, and I'm like, oh man, where did my keys go? Oh, good thing I have my handy dandy eSky key finder with LED flashlight. Then I could just press this and it'll beep, and I'm like, oh, here they are. Wow. I'm not hooking up 4 of these because I don't wanna. Maybe they're different flavors. No, it's not cooler than the drone. Is it better than the Sleep Rage mask? I'm gonna go with that above the sleepy, noisy scream mask thing. That was 18 bucks, so not bad. Next is probably the dumbest one. This, my friends, is a 6-in-1 multi-function tool pen. On Amazon, it was described as 6-in-1 tech handy tool pen with ruler, stylus, bubble level, 2 screwdrivers, fits for men's gift, survival. Survival. Are any of those 6 things that I just listed things that you would want in a survival situation? All right. Yep. Doesn't even come with instructions because it's literally a pen. This card is 2.75 inches. Glad I know that. Here's your pen. Yep, it writes. I don't know. For how much did I pay for this thing? This was 10 bucks. So the cheapest thing so far. Honestly, it's better than the geek binary nerd thing. We have 2 more things. This one is actually the one I was most excited to test. So it doesn't really come in a nice looking box or anything. What it is an iPhone or just phone in general lens kit. 3-in-1 photo lens. You get 3 lenses in here, a fisheye, a super wide, and a macro lens. So this is pretty cool, I guess, depending on how it works. Basically, you just clip it onto your phone and then the lenses are interchangeable. And this is what is actually gonna go on your phone. They don't even say which ones they are, which is kind of annoying. I guess we'll just be surprised. Oh, here we go, fisheye. Okay, yep, this just screws on here. Oh, okay, wow. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, here you can see look at how great my set is. If you're going for some type of artistic view and you only have your iPhone, that's pretty cool. I'm curious to try the macro one. That one was what I was most interested in. Okay, now let's see how this looks. Okay, so everything is out of focus far away, but if I go up close to something, oh, that's pretty cool. So basically, it just makes the focal length of your phone to be very close. So now for a comparison, if I take the lens off and try to get that close, see the focal distance stops about right here. So you're getting a little bit, I wouldn't say it's that much. For a low price of $19. Yeah, I would say definitely worth it. But where does it stack up in our list? It's definitely cooler than the key finder, but is it cooler than the drone? See, I was gonna say I've just been getting into photography, so I want to put this up there, but my last video was literally on drones, so. But I'm gonna have to give it to the lenses. That's your winner for now, but there is one item left, and this one is this is hilarious. This is a Bluetooth speaker in the shape of everyone's favorite light beer. I can't even get in this thing. It's it's the same size as a Bud Light bottle.
Your speaker is ready to pair.
Thank you, wow. I can already tell it gets loud. It's very muffled. It doesn't sound very good when it's loud. I really want to like it, but it does not sound that good. It doesn't sound that great. It feels nice, it's got some weight. If you want to waste money, and you're a Bud Light fan, I'm gonna put it under the Bluetooth finder majigger. So worst thing, this freaking binary geek thing, survival pen. I mean, if you need a pen, I guess it works as a pen. Sleepy mask. It works good as a sleeping mask. I mean, it's comfy. The serial killer that sneaks into your house and rubs your eyes at night will definitely appreciate the soft exterior. Then we got Bluetooth, Mr. Bud Light Bluetooth bottle. This is where we get to things that are actually cool and or useful. This, I would say, not very cool, but it's definitely useful. Then we have the drone. The drone was actually really cool. The first thing we looked at, super tiny, $27. And then number one is the white box, the lenses. These are actually really cool. I was actually surprised with these. If this is something you liked, if you enjoyed this video, if you like watching me waste my money on dumb tech stuff, leave a like and a comment below, and hopefully I will get to do something like this again. So that's all we got. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell so you're notified the next time we post something awesome. See you on the next one.